Some of you who follow us on Instagram noticed we were gone somewhere this week. I can't say everything we were doing, but I can say we were in Seattle at a Meta campus testing new and future things. And one of those new and future things we actually got to test out is the ability to now HDMI link directly to your Quest 3, pretty much any device that has any sort of HDMI or even USB output, and then play that through the headset.
So my name is Raymond Khan. I'm the system TPM for Quest 3 that launched almost a year and a half ago. So today I'm just going to walk through the setup of how to enable user to stream content from the portable device, whether phone, tablet, laptop, Steam Deck, to our Quest 3 headset. So there are two types of video capture card that we have. One is kind of like a USB-C dongle. You can see this is usually the one that you connect to the portable device output. For example, a gaming device like this, or assuming you have an Android phone with USB-C, you connect to here. And then usually at the dongle, it will have a capture output that allows you to take the video converted from HDMI to USB-C protocol to connect using a USB-C cable to your headset. Let's take the Steam Deck example. If you connect the Steam Deck to here, and then the video will go to here converted from HDMI to USB, and then it will translate over to the headset, and with our app that it will decode it, and then the video and the audio will be available through this virtual big screen to enjoy your gaming experience. If you have iPhone 13 that or earlier version of the iPhone that doesn't have the USB-C cable, my recommendation is you can buy this Lightning to HDMI adapter from the Apple Store or the apple.com, connect to your iPhone. Because here it output HDMI only, then you probably need a short HDMI cable to connect. And unlike this USB-C dongle, you need a HDMI to USB converter like this to do the conversion. And then here you just basically need a female USB-A cable to USB-C and connect this over to the HMD here. And that's pretty much it if you have like an iPad or iPhone that doesn't have the USB-C support. Again, there are two types of like USB stick. One is something like this. The other one is this kind of version. That's pretty much it. For the laptop, for example, if you have an HDMI port here, just connect this HDMI cable to your HDMI port here. And then same thing, connect it to this HDMI stick here, and then have this USB-A to USB-C cable to connect to the headset. So in terms of use cases, like again, any portable device, if it has the output feature, then it can stream that screen that you have on the portable device to your headset using our virtual big screen app feature called MetaQuest HDMI Link. And in the demo that you're going to see, that we will be able to stream from your phone, laptop, or your Steam Deck to the Quest 3 HMD or Quest 2, whatever Quest HMD that you have with the virtual big screen, including the audio performance. One thing that we are very proud of this feature is you can always do Netflix or YouTube as long as you have Wi-Fi environment at home. But if you bring this over to a flight or a ride, you don't have Wi-Fi, what you gotta do? One of the options that we enable for you guys is this app that we are providing, which allows you to stream it over from your portable device to this using the wire that we are recommending.
So you can plug an emulator directly into the headset. You can plug your Steam Deck in. And where this really can change things is this used to be a feature that was possible through side hacks and other abilities. It's really similar to like those AR glasses we tried out, but now your Quest basically does all that too. So now I don't need to also bring my Rocket glasses on a flight with me. I can just bring my Quest. This is actually a really sweet and kind of fun story that happened while we were there. So when we went to the Meta campus, one of the lead designers that worked on this whole project saw us walk in the building and texted our Meta contact we were with, "Is that JayBratt? What's he here for?" Because he told me he watches the channel all the time. But the funny thing was when he brought this feature in to show us how it works, what he actually had on the screen was our video.
He saw you in the lobby and he pinged me.
I usually watch your YouTube.
Thank you.
Thank you. I didn't want to bring it up earlier. I was gonna be like,
That's awesome.
I'm watching Jay
someone
right
told me
now.
they saw you.
Yeah, we're actually watching your clip, your YouTube clip.
As a
God, the production value of this guy.
Oh my God, yeah.
And he had our video up for all the other Meta creators who came to this Meta campus when they were to test out this feature on the Quest. They all got it, put it on, and were watching our video on it. It was just really cool, and things like that happen because so many of you out there support us and watch our channel, like the videos, comment, that it's driven the channel to this point where we get to go see these things, give feedback, so that hopefully by the time they get out to the public, they're even better for all of you out there. It is still a bit of a cabling nightmare for now, though, so be aware of that.